Okay, can you see the whole boat? No drones today. I will sit in my new chair doing some filming. You can see how it looks like from outside. Here is how it works. Here you can see how easy it is, and you can also release it. Quite easy. I will not show you that. What a great day. Close to the water. I will not put it in. Thanks for now. Bye. If you want to build your own chair for your boat, I bought Sibben Låberget from IKEA. You only need the top, so that's 20 bucks, and a short piece of drain pipe, and then an aluminium pipe that I found as well. So yeah, I would say less than 20 bucks for it all. You only need the top of the chair.